What's up, you guys? So today we'll be packing my twin sister lunch. This is candy edition. So let's get started. First of all, we'll give her her drink.
I do not have no voice. I don't.
Then, since she's well, kind of ahead, I want to make her more smart. Some smartness. Some smartness medicine. Then we'll give her some chocolate rice. It's cooked rice. And that's my brother behind me, trying to beep me. With his Nerf blaster. Yep. And since she's been mean to me, I need to start being mean to her. With some. Then we'll give her some witch candy since she's been my little witch. And I am the older twin. Yeah, whatever. And then she likes chewing my fingers, like bite me. So there's my fingers. And since she doesn't like strawberries and watermelons together, we'll give it separate. Now, we'll give her two. Quit.
That ain't me.
I said quit.
That ain't me.
Still, just quit.
That ain't me.
I don't care if it's not you. Just quit.
That's her.
I know it is. I know it is, Kinsley. Then we'll give her some caramel. Some caramel. Quit. No. Your mama said to not point that at people.
I won't shoot it.
Doesn't matter. And since I'm feeling like a kind of nice twin, I'll give her some
That is mine.
salon. But, you know, I'm mean to her, so I'll not give it to her. And I'll give her some more poops. I'll give her 6. And I'm gonna give her a note to eat it all. Okay. So let's go get my twin.
How can I sit with y'all?
Hold up, Zane. I'll let you sit in this spot for a second. I'm gonna go get a snack.
How about we scoot it together? Then we on the
You're
shed.
sitting in the middle. I'm going to get her.
Then you're in the way.
Kinsley, you don't need to be included in everything.
And Kylie's gonna be right there. Stop!
Go get some.
You big old head.
Alright, move. Thanks, Kylie.
You got a big old head.
Let's see what Kylie passed me. Oh, gosh. I'm kind of thirsty. She's mean to me. She gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You got a big old head, Zane.
6, 7 poops.
6, 7.
I have 7 poops.
No. 1 poop, 2 poop, 3 poops, 4 poop.
All the poops are here. Not with that.
Then, you know you got a
Fingers.
big old head. Can you see now?
Now I have some cherries and watermelons.
Let's come this way. Now.
Let's get some caramel. Rice chocolate? My favorite.
We'll put my gun right here.
Witch's brew? Heck no. Heck no. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. Well, bye you guys. Bye.